Successful application of a grave emulsion is based on rigorous materials analysis, the analysis of aggregates, water and pure bitumen emulsion. Grave emulsions are cold mixes, and their production is fume and dust free. Cold mix plants are simple, compact and highly mobile. The only section of a grave emulsion production plant which consumes fuel is the engines. This saves energy, reduces investments, cuts down on maintenance and respects the environment. Grave emulsion is ideal for reinforcement and repair works. It can also be used to make new roads. Grave emulsions can be prepared for every type of roadwork from the bottom to the top, from subgrade courses to tack coats. This grave emulsion is being spread by a grader. Grave emulsion provides better weatherproofing than any other binder, allowing on-site work seasons to be extended for several weeks. If downpours stop work, grave emulsions can be temporarily stored beside the road. They can be applied in several thicknesses. For example, to execute courses of uniform thickness, for road widening, to reprofile bankings, for feathering joints down to 0 thickness, which makes them ideal for reprofiling works. Vehicles can run on grave emulsion as soon as it is laid. Traffic does not have to be diverted. Grave emulsion can be stored for several months, which means that for small repair jobs it can be produced in advance and laid as needed. In France, the characteristics of grave emulsions are defined by French standards for different types of use.
Rhino is the first online bitumen platform, and we are here to help you. To continue shopping, click on the link above.